Hey there, it's your neighbors at Patio Productions. Today we've got 8 keys to creating the perfect patio furniture arrangement. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is decide on a focal point to visually anchor your space, like a beautiful sofa set or a stunning fire pit. This centerpiece serves as the heart of your patio's arrangement. Everything else will flow from here. Next, ask yourself, what is the purpose of my patio? How do you want to use the space? Maybe you primarily want to use it for dinner parties, or more of an intimate spot for relaxing with a good book. These choices will influence whether you go for a formal, symmetrical look, or more of a quirky, relaxed vibe. Which brings us to tip 3, design like a traffic conductor. You want to arrange your furniture in a way that gives guests the chance to move freely, not get clumped together. Make smart placements of furniture, dividers or planters, to shape your walkways. Now, arrange your furniture and start with your larger pieces first. Put the longest piece against a long wall, ideally facing towards your focal point. Then you can cluster smaller seats to make cozy conversation spots. And while you're placing furniture, keep the view in mind. Try to take advantage of your favorite vistas or landscaping features. And now that your patio furniture is placed, it's time to accessorize. Add your own unique flair with throw pillows, an outdoor rug, or some potted plants. Or maybe you're more of a string light in the evening type. Go for it. So there you have it, some quick, simple tips to create the patio of your dreams. Be sure to check out the description below for a link to our comprehensive guide on arranging patio furniture. Or hop onto patioproductions.com to find a huge selection of luxury outdoor patio furniture. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating from your friends at Patio Productions.